Hi friends, Star. Welcome to QAI Wizards, your magical home for fun, new tech, AI, and data learning adventures. Welcome to QAI Wizards. Yay! Let's start the magic. Okay, detectives, here is our top secret mission for today. First, we're going to find out about the big mystery. Then, we'll get our special detective tools. After that, we'll learn the rules of the game because every good detective has rules. Then, woohoo, it's time for solving the case. And at the very end, guess what? You're an API detective. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, every great adventure starts with a big, exciting mystery. And ours is all about figuring out how secret machines work. Let's go find our very first clue together. So, imagine this. You get a super awesome new toy. It's got lights and buttons and it looks so fun. But wait, there are no instructions. How do you know what the buttons do? What happens if you press the wrong one? It's a total puzzle, right?
Well, in the computer world, that happens all the time. We call it an API mystery. It's basically a secret computer program that helps other programs talk to each other. But here's the tricky part. Nobody wrote down the rules. So it's our job as detectives to figure out the secret language it speaks.
Now, how do we solve a mystery like this? We could just run in and start smashing all the buttons at once, right? But that might break it. The smart way, the detective way, is to press just one button at a time. Watch very, very carefully to see what happens and write it down in our notebook. Slow and steady solves the case. Okay, team, it's time to gear up. We can't solve this case without our special detective tools. Let's open up our kit and see what awesome gadgets we have to help us. We have 4 amazing super detective steps. Step 1, and this is the most important, is look first. We just want to look and see what's there without changing anything. Step 2 is watch closely. We'll use our spy tools to see the secret messages flying back and forth. Step 3 is try new things, but very carefully. And step 4, my favorite, is ask a friend. Sometimes another detective has already found a clue. Now let's see these steps in action with a super fun app. Let's pretend we have this really cool app on our phone called the Petatron 5000. It's for taking care of a super cute digital pet. But we don't know how the app talks to the big computer to save our pet's progress. Time to investigate. Okay, first things first. Our little pet looks hungry, so we're going to do a simple thing. We're just going to tap the Feed Pet button. Easy peasy, right? But behind the scenes, something magical is about to happen. Zing! The moment we tap that button, our phone sent a secret message flying through the internet, all the way to the big mainframe computer. It's like a secret note being passed in class. And with our detective tools, we can actually read that secret message. The big computer gets the note, reads it, and goes, "Oh, you want to feed the pet?" Got it. And it sends a happy message back that says, "Yummy food." And look, our app gets the message, and now our pet is happy and fed. We just saw a whole secret conversation. Yay! So what was in that secret message? Well, it had 3 parts. First, the address, which tells the message exactly where to go. Second, the secret handshake, which proves we're a friend and allowed to talk to the computer. And third, the note itself, which says what we want to do, like please feed the pet. Pretty cool, huh? Now, even though we're exploring and having fun, every good detective has to follow the rules. This keeps us safe, keeps the computers safe, and helps us solve the mystery without causing any trouble. When we send a message to the mystery box, it always talks back. If it says, "Yay," that means success. Everything worked perfectly. If it says, "Uh-oh," that usually means we made a little mistake in our message. It's our fault. But if it says, "Oops," that means the mystery box made a mistake. So we can learn a lot just by listening to what it says back. So let's remember our biggest rules. Detective do's. Do start with the look buttons that don't change anything. And do write down everything you find. Now for the detective don'ts. Don't press all the buttons at once. And don't ever use real information for your tests. Always play in a safe test area. Got it? Awesome. We've got our tools, we know the rules, and we've gathered some clues. You know what that means? It's time to solve the case. Let's put all of our notes together and make our very own instruction manual for this mystery machine. The best way to do this is with a detective cheat sheet. It's super simple. We'll have one column for what I pressed, another for what happened, and the most important one, secret I learned. By filling this out, we're creating a map for anyone who wants to explore this mystery machine after us. And here are my top secret tips and tricks for you. First, ask your friends for old maps. That means look online to see if other detectives have already explored this area. Second, draw the map as you go. Don't wait until the end to write down your clues. And third, check for broken signs. Even when you get an uh-oh error, that's still a clue telling you what not to do.
Okay, it's time for our memory lock. This is the most important rule of all, so let's lock it into our brains. Here's the rhyme. When you don't know the way out, just get it out. Let's try it with a hand motion. Pretend you're grabbing something and pulling it towards you, like you're getting information. Ready? When you don't know the way out, just get it out. Great job.
Wow, look at you! You've learned the secret steps, you've got your detective tools, and you know the rules. You are officially an API detective. Now let's do a quick pop quiz to test your amazing new skills.
Okay, first question. What is the very first, safest thing you should do when you find a mystery machine with lots of buttons? What do you think? The answer is just look. You always want to use the Look First button to gather clues without changing anything.
Awesome job! Here's the next question. If the mystery box sends you back a message that says, uh-oh, whose mistake is it most of the time? Is it the box's fault or our fault? The answer is, it's usually our fault. It means we need to fix the secret message we sent. And for your final mission, if you ever find a mystery machine in real life, your job is to figure out the buttons. And what's the number one rule? That's right. The first step is always to look. You've got this. Remember this, detectives. Every single mystery is a chance to be a hero. When you figure out the secrets of a mystery machine and write down the rules, you're not just helping yourself. You're helping every single person who comes after you. You're lighting up the path for them. That's all for today's magic. Thank you for learning with us. Come back soon to QA_AI_wizards for the next super fun tech and data adventure. See you next time at QA_AI_wizards. Bye, friends. You are all AI wizards now.